morning, students. So yesterday we are discussing about theorem number 2 and corollary part. Based on those two concepts, there is also then some problems are solved. Okay, now today I will continue based on those two concepts to solve some more problems. Now here problem number 6, evaluate limit of x sec x as x tends to 0. Verify. Put x equal to 0. Is it finite or infinite or indeterminate? Check it. ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Put x equal to 0 ಹಾಕಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x value 0 into sec 0. That is 0 into sec 0 degree. How much angle? Sec 0 degree value is 1. 0 into 1, 0. 0, only 1 0. That is finite value. Okay. Whereas problem number 7, evaluate limit of ax plus x cos x divided by b sin x as x tends to 0. Check it. Put x equal to 0. Is it finite or infinite or indeterminate? X value 0 haki. A into 0, 0. 0 into cos 0, 0 into any number, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Numerator 0. Denominator, put x value 0. Sin 0, sin 0 degree, 0. 0 into b, 0. It is in the form indeterminate. So what can you do? Simplify. Limit x tends to 0. Divide term by term. Ax divided by b sin x plus x cos x divided by b sin x. Right? Divide term by term. Ax divided by b sin x plus x cos x divided by b sin x. Now that is equal to in the first term denoted by f of x, second term denoted by g of x. Now apply laws of limit. Limit of f of x into limit of f of x plus g of x. Limit of sum is equal to split of the limit, sum of the limits. That is limit x tends to 0. Ax divided by b sin x. This is one function. Plus limit of g of x. Limit x tends to 0. That is x cos x divided by b sin x. Okay. Now simplify. A constant, b constant, take outside. That is a is constant, b constant into limit x tends to 0. Remaining value x divided by sin x. Plus again here split of the limit. That is limit x tends to 0. Apply laws of limit. That is x divided by b sin x into limit x tends to 0. Another term is cos x. Baribodala. So x cos x by b sin x. X by b sin x one function. Cos x another function. Apply laws of limit. Limit of f of x into g of x equal to limit of f of x into limit of g of x. Right? Now that is a by b limit x tends to 0. X divided by sin x can be written as, we can write 1 by sin x by x. Taking the reciprocal. Bari bodala. 1 by sin x by x is nothing but x by sin x. Plus here b constant take outside. Limit x tends to 0. Again x by sin x can be written as 1 divided by sin x by x. Right? Into limit of cos x as x tends to 0. Okay? Then simplify. A by b into 1 by clearly it is in the form theorem number 2 instead of theta. Here x. Sin x by x as x tends to 0 value. How much? Standard result 1 plus 1 by b. Again 1 divided by. Again it is in the form theorem number 2. Its value is 1. Sin x by x as x tends to 0 is 1. into, in the last limit, put x equal to 0, cos x value 0. That is a by b into 1 by 1, a by b, plus 1 by b into 1 by 1, 1 by b into cos 0 value, cos 0 degree, 1. So that is a upon b plus 1 upon 1 into 1, 1 by b. LCM is here b, that is a plus 1. That is the finite value. Okay. So this is problem number 7. Clear, students? Then problem number 8. Problem number 8. Evaluate limit of tan 2x divided by x minus pi by 2 as x tends to 0. Check it. Put x equal to 0. Is it finite or infinite? X value 0 haki. Tan 2 x value 0. 2 into 0 0. Tan 0 eshtagutte 0 divided by x value 0. 0 minus pi by 2. This is pi by 2, not 0. X tends to pi by 2. Here x tends to pi by 2. Put x equal to pi by 2. 2 into tan 2 x value pi by 2 divided by x value pi by 2 minus pi by 2. 2 cancel. Tan pi, tan 180, 0. Pi by 2 minus pi by 2, 0. It is in the form 0 by 0. So what can you do? Simplify till you get finite value. Ellivargi solve madbekadu answer finite barovargi. Okay. Now here in the denominator there are two terms. So make it as two term into one term, so that by substituting x minus pi by 2, call it as theta. Put x minus pi by 2 is equal to theta. Therefore, x is equal to enagutte, x is equal to theta minus pi by 2 goes to right side, plus pi by 2. That is pi by 2 plus theta. Correct? X value pi by 2 plus theta. Okay. Then corresponding the limit. ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಲಿಮಿಟು ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಈ ಲಿಮಿಟು ಕೂಡ ತೀಟಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪೈ ಬೈ 2, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪೈ ಬೈ 2, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಅಂದಂಗೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 0. 0 ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಯಿತು ತೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ತೀಟಾ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 0. ತೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ತೀಟಾ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು 0. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗ? ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತೀಟಾ divided by x minus pi by 2 value theta, as x tends to pi by 2 implies theta tends to 0. ಇದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ತಪ್ಪಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನೇ x tends to 0 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಈಗ ತೀಟಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ತೀಟಾ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ತೀಟಾ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 0. ರೈಟ್? ದೆನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ theta tends to 0 tan, remove that bracket, 2 into pi by 2, 2 cancel, pi plus 2 into theta, 2 theta divided by theta. Right? Then that is equal to limit theta tends to 0. Apply allied angle. Already we have learned in trigonometry, that is in allied angle topic. So if the angle 180 plus or minus theta, idಕ್ಕೆ alpha ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, put 2 theta is equal to alpha. If the angle 180 plus or minus alpha, trigonometric ratios remains same. Tan alpha, alpha value 2 theta. But 180 plus alpha lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. So tan is here positive divided by theta. Again check it, verify is it finite or infinite. Put theta is equal to 0 hack nodi. 2 into theta value 0, 2 into 0 0, tan 0 0 divided by theta value 0. Again it is in the form 0 by 0. Again simplify till you get finite value. Further simplify. Now comparing that result with theorem number 2 corollary part. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ tan theta by theta, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ 2 theta ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ tan of 2 theta divided by theta. Theta can be written as 2 theta into 2 ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ, as theta tends to 0. That 2 get cancelled, it will become same result, right? Here 2 is constant, take outside. 2 into limit theta tends to 0 tan 2 theta divided by 2 theta. So that is 2. Clearly it is in the form corollary part. Tan ಮುಂದಗಡೆ ಏನು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ 1 ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ 2 into 1 2, that's it. Okay, whereas problem number 9th one. Ninth problem, evaluate limit of cosec x minus cot x as x tends to 0. Verify. Put x equal to 0. Is it finite or infinite? Check it. X value 0 haki. Cosec 0. Sin 0 is 0. Cosec 0 degrees. Infinity. Minus. Cot 0. Tan 0 is 0. Cot 0 is reciprocal of tan. Cot 0 is infinity. It is in the form infinity minus infinity. It is indeterminate. So simplify. Limit x tends to 0, cosec x using trigonometric function 1 divided by sin x, cot x using trigonometric function cos x divided by sin x, right? Then simplify. Limit x tends to 0, take the LCM. LCM is here sin x, numerator 1 minus cos x. Again check it, put x equal to 0, 1 minus cos x value ಏನಿದೆ 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 0 divided by x value 0 ಇದೆ, sin 0 0, again it is indeterminate. Then again simplify. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by sin x, multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of the numerator. What is conjugate of 1 minus cos x? That is 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x, right? Then simplify. Is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x. It is in the form a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b formula, a square minus b square, that is 1 minus cos square x, correct? Divided by sin x into 1 plus cos x. Okay, then further simplify. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos square x using trigonometric identity. The value of 1 minus cos square x, remember that formula, sin square x divided by sin x into bracket 1 plus cos x. Okay, 1 sin x get cancelled is equal to, put x equal to 0, sin x value 0 divided by 1 plus cos x value is 0, but sin 0 degree is 0 by 1 plus cos 0 degree is 1, 0 divided by 1 plus 1 2, 0 by 2 that is 0, only 1 0, that is finite value. Okay. Whereas problem number 10, 10th problem, you need to evaluate limit of 1 minus cos x divided by x as x tends to 0. Check it, put x equal to 0, is it finite or infinite or indeterminate? X value 0 hack nodi. 1 minus cos x value 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 that is 0 divided by x value 0, it is indeterminate form. Okay, then simplify, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x, multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of the numerator. What is conjugate of 1 minus cos x is 1 plus cos x. Okay, then simplify, that is limit x tends to 0. In the numerator, it is in the form a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b using the formula a square minus b square, that is 1 minus cos square x divided by x into bracket 1 plus cos x. Okay. Now that is equal to limit x tends to 0. But 1 minus cos square x using trigonometric identity. What is the formula? Sin square x divided by x into bracket 1 plus cos x. That is limit x tends to 0. Rearrange. Sin square x can be written as, we can write sin x into sin x, divided by x into 1 plus cos x. Right? Now apply laws of limits. Split up the limit. Limit x tends to 0, f of x, that is sin x divided by x, one part, into limit another function g of x, sin x divided by 1 plus cos x as x tends to 0. Limit of f of x into g of x is equal to limit of f of x into limit of g of x. Okay. But here in first part, clearly it is in the form theorem number 2, standard theorem, its limiting value is 1. Okay. Put x equal to 0 in second limit, sin 0 divided by 1 plus cos x value 0, that is 1 into sin 0 is 0 by 1 plus cos 0 value 1, that is 0 divided by 2, 0 by 2 value how much? That is 0. Okay, so these are the problems based on theorem number 2 and corollary part. Okay students, so now most important problems, you must try this, solve those all those things. Okay, so in next class, that is next concept is left hand limit and right hand limit. Next concept in limits, that is left hand limit as well as right hand limit. Short form LHL and here RHL. Define left hand limit. Look here, definition, a function y is equal to f of x. You know that mathematically function can be written as y is equal to f of x. There are 4 different types of functions, namely algebraic, logarithmic, trigonometric and exponential. Out of 4 they may be given any one. Okay, a function y is equal to f of x is said to be left hand limit, LHL short form. as x approaches to or tends to or nearer to, say in general A, which are that A is less than A, which are less than A. If the condition limit of f of x as x approaches, denoted by arrow mark, tends to less than A exists. Exist means finite value. Definition of limit ಏನಿದೆ? Finite ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. So limit of f of x as x tends to not A, less than A exists. That mathematically, symbolically we write LHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to less than A, denoted by A minus or A bar. What it means? Select the function f of x such that x is less than A. ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, f of x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒಂದೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, more than one function given. Among those functions, which function you can take here? In such a cases, we must apply that concept. That sign indicate select the function f of x such that x is less than A. See, for example, like this. Say f of x is equal to f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. If x is less than 1, 10x minus 3. If x is more than 1, find left hand limit at x equal to 1. How to solve? You know the definition of LHL. That is, mathematically LHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to A minus. The value of A is here 1 minus. That is, limit x tends to 1 minus. That minus sign indicate select the function f of x such that x is less than 1. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಅದಾವು. ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? x ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿದ ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ x ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1. ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಯರ್ x ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 is there. Its corresponding value is 4x plus 3. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Put x equal to 1. 4 into 1 plus 3. That is 7. 7 is finite value. In previous ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? f of x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒಂದೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ variables are given, more than one value given. So among those, which value you can take here? In such a cases, apply that concept. Select the function such that x is less than A. LHL means less than, RHL means more than. Okay. Whereas define RHL. A function, same concept. A function y is equal to f of x is said to be right hand limit as x approaches to A, x approaches to A, which are right side ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ A. ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್. If the condition limit of f of x as x tends to, approaches means arrow mark, greater than A, exist. Exist means finite value. Again, answer must be finite, not infinite. Okay, greater than A. Now mathematically we write RHL is equal to, remember, limit of f of x as x tends to greater than A, denoted by A plus. That plus sign indicate select the function f of x such that x is more than A. More than A value ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ. Find RHL at x equal to 1. So RHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to A plus. The value of A is here 1 plus. That is limit x tends to 1 plus. It means what? Select the function f of x such that x is more than 1. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಇದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ? ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನು 10x minus 3. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪುಟ್ x equal to 1. 10 into 1 minus 3. 10 ones are 10 minus 3 7. 7 is finite value. Clear students? So remember, LHL ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, RHL more than A. Suppose if, note that if LHL is equal to RHL, if LHL is equal to RHL, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎರಡೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, ದೆನ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. Limit of f of x as x tends to a exist. Satisfied. Limit satisfied. ಯಾವಾಗ LHL is equal to RHL, both are equal, then limit condition is satisfied. Suppose LHL is not equal to RHL, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ LHL ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, RHL ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, limit of given function as x tends to a does not exist. Limit does not satisfied. They may be asked, check, verify whether the following functions of the limiting values are exist or does not exist. ಹಂಗೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ LHL, ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ RHL, observe it whether both are equal, limit exists. Both are not equal, limit does not exist. Look here, take this example. LHL value is how much? 7. RHL is also 7. Therefore LHL is equal to RHL. Therefore limit of the given function as x tends to 1 exists. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ LHL RHL ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, LHL 7 ಇದ್ದು RHL more than 7 or less than 7 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, LHL is not equal to RHL. Limit of given function as x tends to a does not exist. Remember. So I will repeat once again. Define left hand limit. A function y is equal to f of x is said to be left hand limit as x approaches to or nearer to or tends to a, if which are a ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? less than a. If the condition limit of f of x as x approaches to tends to, denoted by arrow mark, less than a, exist. Exist means finite value. Mathematically LHL is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to a minus. That sign indicate, ಈ ಸೈನ್ ಏನು ಸೂಚನೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದು ಸೈನ್ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. That sign indicate select the function f of x such that x is less than a. ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ RHL, ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ y is equal to f of x is said to be right hand limit as x approaches to a which are more than a, greater than a, if limit of f of x as x tends to more than a, finite value, that is exist. Note that if both the values are equal, if LHL is equal to RHL, limit of f of x as x tends to a exist. Exist means satisfied. Limit value is satisfied. Note, suppose LHL is not equal to RHL, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ LHL ಮತ್ತು RHL ಎರಡೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, limit does not exist. Suppose if LHL is not equal to RHL, then limit of f of x as x tends to a does not exist. Does not exist. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಲು LHL 7 ಇದೆ, RHL 7 ಇದೆ. LHL is equal to RHL, both are satisfied, both are values, both values are equal. Therefore limit of given function as x tends to 1 exist. If LHL is not equal to RHL, limit of f of x as x tends to a does not exist. Remember. Okay. So based on left hand limit and right hand limit to solve the problems. Now first problem ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, find limit of f of x as x tends to 0. Evaluate the limit where f of x is given. ಏನಿದೆ f of x value 2x plus 3. If x is less than or equal to 0, 3 of x plus 1 if x is more than 0. Whether limit exists or does not exist, check it. Now to find left hand limit, LHL. Definition of LHL, limit of f of x as x tends to a. A value ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0. LHL means minus 0 bar. That is limit x tends to 0 bar. That sign indicates select the function f of x such that x is less than 0. ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದರ ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ less than 0 ಇದೆ ತಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Its corresponding value 2x plus 3. Put x equal to 0. 2 into 0 plus 3. 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 3. 3. That is finite value. Then to find RHL, limit of f of x as x tends to 0 plus. That is limit x tends to 0 plus. Select the function f of x such that x is more than 0. X more than 0 value ಇದೆ ಏನಿದೆ 3 of x plus 1. Put x equal to 0. 3 of x value 0 plus 1. 3 of 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 into 1 3. Right? So LHL value 3. RHL 3. Therefore LHL is equal to RHL. Hence limit exists or does not exist? Clearly limit exists. Limit of f of x as x tends to 0 exists. If LHL is not equal to RHL, limit does not exist. Okay? Whereas second problem. Problem number 2. Again, evaluate limit of f of x as x tends to 1, where f of x equal to x square minus 1, if x less than or equal to 1, minus x square minus 1, if x more than 1. Now what can you do? First to find LHL. So definition of LHL, mathematically limit of f of x as x tends to a. A value that is given 1 minus. That is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus. Select the function f of x such that x is less than 1. ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ x less than ಇದೆ ಇದು x equal to ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ less than ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತಾನೆ its corresponding value x square minus 1. Put x equal to 1. 1 square minus 1. 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 0. Then to find RHL, limit of f of x as x tends to 1 plus. That is limit x tends to 1 plus. Select the function f of x such that x is more than 1. ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ more than 1. Its corresponding value minus x square minus 1. Put x equal to 1. X value 1 ಹಾಕಿ minus 1 square minus 1. That is minus 1 square is 1 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 ಏನಾಯಿತು minus 2. LHL 0 ಇದೆ. RHL minus 2 ಇದೆ. Are they equal? Not equal. Therefore, LHL is not equal to here. LHL is not equal to RHL. ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದು? Hence, whether limit exists or does not exist. Clearly limit does not exist. Hence, limit of f of x as x tends to 1 does not exist. ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆದಂಗೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ limit does not satisfied. ಓಕೆ, ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. Evaluate the limit of f of x as x tends to 0, whether it is exist or does not exist. f of x value ಏನಿದೆ, mod x divided by x, x is not equal to 0. 0 at x equal to 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಈ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. x is not equal to 0 ಏನಿದರ ಅರ್ಥ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಬೇಡ, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ಇರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0. ಸಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. 0ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರ್ಬೋದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಆರ್ 0ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಐದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ 0 ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. 0 ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಲ್, ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಲ್. ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಲ್, ನಾವು ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು 0 ಮೈನಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು 0 ಮೈನಸ್. 0 minus means select the function f of x such that x is less than 0, corresponding value mod x divided by x. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. 0 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 0/0 indeterminate. ಸೊ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು 0 ಮೈನಸ್. 0 minus means what? X is less than 0. You know the definition of modulus function. Already you know, study ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So mod x is equal to x itself if x is more than 0. Correct? Whereas mod x is equal to minus x if x is less than 0. That is the definition of mod function. So x tends to 0 minus means x less than 0. If x less than 0, what is mod x value? Minus x divided by x as it is. x cancel, ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? Minus 1. Right? Whereas to find RHL, limit of f of x as x tends to 0 plus, that is limit x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus x is more than 0. More than 0 corresponding value same, mod x by x, that is limit x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus means select the function f of x such that x is more than 0. If x is more than 0, what is mod x value? Mod x value is plus x, correct? Divided by x as it is. X cancel, that is plus 1. LHL minus 1, RHL plus 1. Here LHL is not equal to RHL, hence limit of f of x as x tends to 0, is it exist? No, does not exist. exist ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ concept is differentiation. We will discuss differentiation in next class. Okay students, thank you.